Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a little update on the cleanup after Hurricane Ian. Today I continued to clean up the piles that I had. I had a big pile over there of the branch tips, leaves, uh, fallen branches from this big tree right here. It's the only tree I have on my property. And I had a big pile over here. Over here is all cleared up, as you can see. I'm in the process of, cleaning up around the shed as well. And here is where I still have a bunch of leaves that I pulled off the top of my lanai. And plus I cleaned out the gutter from over there all the way to right here. And the bottom of these piles right here have decomposed leaves, or the beginning stages of decomposed leaves. So I have a good pile over here all the way up to over there. I'm probably going to skim off the tiny little branches and leave the leaves, and then this is the next project that I'm going to be working on, is right here. I'm going to make myself a raised bed garden, and right now I already finished the bottom row of concrete blocks, the 8x8x16, and I'm gonna finish it off with 4x8x16, which is those narrow ones. Make that a second row, and then in between those slots in the block, I got some old wood, pallet wood, that I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna slide it in there. I'm gonna frame it. I'm gonna probably bring it up to probably about 3.5, 4 feet high, maybe. And then once I do that, then I'm going to go ahead and rake up as much of this stuff right here, and plus this pile of dead, decomposed grass right here. That's going to be my base layer, and then at the very top 7 to 8 inches, I'm going to put good compost and topsoil, and then that way I can plant all my veggies that I'm going to plan on planting there. See, I still got a pile right there of the stuff that I've, like I said, raked up and everything. But that's ongoing progress. And as right now, I think the county is supposed to come by on Monday to pick up all our yard waste. And what I did was, some of the thicker branches, I went ahead and saved them. Those are the dead ones, and those are the ones that I'm burning right now. Because what's going to happen is I'm going to get some nice ash at the very bottom right there, and then I'm going to mix that with my compost as well. This actually here is an ongoing project too. This is my backyard outdoor fire pit slash grill that I have 2 videos on, that I showed you how I made the base. Right now I only have the concrete going around it, because I'm going to show you once I finish it, how high it's going to be. Probably going to be like waist high. And then I think after I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and put some brick on the outside and top it off, because eventually I'm going to finish this right here. I'm going to extend that roof line over to the edge of this tree along with my lanai. I'm going to redo the roof. It's going to be done all new and stuff like that. So in here, in this area, I'm going to move these out of the way. I'm going to put a nice like brick patios or patio stone. Then this will be the grilling area, complete with an outdoor sink. And then there'll be like a little knee wall coming from over there to about right there. But like I said, ongoing projects. But first time actually using this to burn something. But not a completed project yet. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the cleanup effort. I've already taken everything that I need to take to the sidewalk or to the street for them to come pick it up, and hopefully on Monday they will come and pick it up. Oh, just so you know, here in Florida they kind of have a thing against you doing this kind of burn in the backyard, but you can see I got plenty of water and I'm right here watching it, so in case it decides to get out of control, which it's not going to, because and from where I'm at, I'm about 5 feet, 5.5 feet away from it. I can feel a good heat come off of it. But that stuff right there was mostly old, semi-dry, semi-rotted, that just fell off from the, the gust of wind that we got. And so it's gonna burn up nice. And like I said, and once it's all done, I'm gonna, it's just ashes. I'm gonna throw that in my compost, because in ashes you have like magnesium and some other minerals that's really good for your garden. So I'll have both. I'll have this, I'll have the green grass, which probably tomorrow or the next day I will go ahead and cut my lawn in the front, and I'll take that green grass and save it and just put it on top of those leaves over there, and that in turn will, the hydrogen from the green grass will heat up the leaves and start to decompose them also. But yeah, so that's kind of like the process. If you want to make your own organic compost, you need brown, dry, and you need the green. And then if you already have some mixed, you put that in there as well to get the process started. Right on the side you can see I have some little papaya trees that I have started on little pots. And way over there by my compost pile, those little plants right there are mango trees that I started from seed. So eventually I'm gonna have, some of those to go around as well. But all right, guys, well, thanks for watching as always. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you get notified when I upload new videos. All right, I hope you guys are safe wherever you are. Have a great day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.